All right, hi. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I've had this stored away for a while, waiting for to get a 4K camera, and I finally have that. So hopefully these videos are going to look a lot better. And I'm also using some new voice audio technology. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. And let's get started here. Now I'm going to guess that this is a pair of antique reading glasses. But I'm not sure because I ordered this a long time ago. All right, so we got popcorn, which I really don't want, but it looks like I don't have a choice but to dig in here and get some of it out to pull this package out of this box. All right, just gonna throw all this popcorn back in here. Whoa, okay. And I'm now pretty sure that's exactly what this is because of what it looks like. And they used the big bubble wrap. Now, I didn't buy these to use them. I mean, they probably wouldn't fit me anyways. But I just wanted them for props and stuff. And this case is really dirty. Oh my god. Yeah. It's very dirty. So I am going to pull this out, but I'm going to do it on a piece of bubble wrap. Okay. All right. So this case is in really bad shape, but I will be able to clean it up. And it has writing. Unfortunately, it's mostly rubbed off. It's very hard. I don't know what it's made of. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at those. Those are the real thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. And they even have, my goodness, these appear to be early bifocals. Wow. These wires are so thin. Woo. All right. So definitely going to have to clean these up because they are also very dirty. These are rolled gold, which is not done anymore, but it implies that there's a much thicker layer of gold over whatever metal is underneath. And I'll be able to polish this to the point where it will look very nice. So I now have an antique set of eyeglasses that are in very good shape, actually, which I will clean up and I'll be able to use them for props and whatnot. All right. As for this case, I am actually not sure if I'm going to be able to reuse this or not, but I'm going to give it a shot for sure. All right, so I'm going to be doing a lot of videos. I have other stuff to unpack. I have all kinds of plans for the channel now that I finally have a 4K camera. So I'll be posting a lot more content moving forward. And if you haven't already subscribed, be aware that I'm going to be doing gilding videos and showing results of gilding, unpacking videos because I collect old stuff, and also a couple of other interesting types of things. And I'll be doing lots of videos about all this stuff. So, hope you enjoyed this little tiny unboxing video.